Hello, my name is Dr. David Milliron, and I'm the clinic director here at the Newman Chiropractic Center located in Aspinwall. And if you clicked on this video, then I can assume that you, or perhaps a loved one, is suffering from some type of chronic spinal pain, whether it be neck pain or back pain. And I want you to know that I understand that dealing with chronic pain can not only make you feel terrible, but also just lead to a feeling of hopelessness and sometimes even depression. And so when people come into the office, I ask them, what have you been doing to manage this pain? And the most common answer that I get is, well, I've been taking some type of over-the-counter medication. And that's usually a acetaminophen, such as Tylenol, or a NSAID, which is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. And so these over-the-counter medications, we tend to think that they don't really have any side effects or repercussions. But I do want to share just a little bit of information with you because I feel like some of this information can potentially change your life for the better. And so if you fit into that description where you're managing your pain with these medications, I feel like there's two big problems that we're encountering. Number one, these medications definitely will cover up the symptoms for a little while, but I can assure you that they won't really get to the cause or the source of your problem. So they basically never really fix anything. And then number two, these side effects. I just wanted to share some information because I don't think that most people really have the time to do the research and look and see what these drugs are really causing in terms of side effects. So I just wanted to share with you 3 brief studies that I uncovered. And hopefully, before you pop the next pill or run to the medicine cabinet, you'll think twice about maybe looking for some alternative strategies to help relieve your pain. Number one, the first study is from a journal called Hypertension, and they study what causes high blood pressure. And they actually said that regular use of Tylenol will actually double your risk of high blood pressure. And so what's the problem with high blood pressure is, of course, that leads to strokes and heart attacks. And heart disease being one of the top 2 killers in our country, this is a serious problem. Number two, this study is from the New England Journal of Medicine. And so they quoted that 1,000 Tylenol capsules in your entire lifetime will actually double your risk for kidney disease. And when you first hear that number 1,000, probably sounds like a lot, until you stop and you think that a lot of people are taking 3, 4, 5, even more of these capsules per day. Just add that up over a year and you're already at 1,000. And so you can see the reality is a lot of people are actually suffering from kidney disease as a result of these over-the-counter drugs. Number 3, last one, is another one from the New England Journal of Medicine, and this was 1999. And they looked at people that were taking these non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs for osteoarthritis, the most common type of arthritis, and also for rheumatoid arthritis. And this is what they found. 16,500 people in the United States die every year from bleeding gastric ulcers, so bleeding from the stomach from these drugs. And they said that was the 15th most common cause of death in the United States. So if you've made it this far, hopefully you understand that yes, these drugs do come with profound side effects that can not only change your life, but take your life away. So the big question is, what's the alternative? Is there a drug-free solution that doesn't have all these harmful side effects? And I'm here to tell you that yes, there is. There was a study done in a prestigious journal called Spine. This was the year 2005. And they looked at chiropractic care as compared to taking these drugs. And they found that the patients who were under chiropractic care saw 5 times more improvements, 5 times the benefit, without all these harmful side effects. So I have to ask myself, what's the biggest hurdle for people? Why don't they start up care? In a big majority of the cases, I'm not really sure, but I feel that maybe just the initial expense of coming into an office and getting an exam, and getting any type of x-rays that need to be done, that might seem like a lot. So by clicking on this link, what we're offering you today is a $49 initial exam and any necessary x-rays that we have to take. Because my belief is, if chiropractic is something that can help you resolve or at least manage your pain better, 5 times more effectively than these harmful drugs, then it's my belief that you should know about it. All you have to do is simply call our office at 412-781-5040, or you could just fill out the information that should be included on this link to schedule your appointment. So I really hope that this information sinks in and at least makes you think. And if this is something that you want to look for some alternate strategies, I really look forward to helping you in the future. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day.